Good time to talk about the temperature
Yes.
because it is cold and will be wintry very soon.
Yeah, in this whole week, Brian, well below average temperatures. So we're getting into a winter pattern for sure. Not sure it'll last the whole month, but
Okay.
at least right now we've got some to deal with.
Which is also interesting if it turns back around. Okay.
Exactly. Tomorrow during the day will be fine, but overnight tomorrow night into Thursday morning, that's when our next system will come through. It won't be a big storm, but the timing really is the issue here with it impacting the Thursday morning commute. Along the coast and in down East Maine, this will be a mix of wet snow and rain, but inland and farther north, this will end up being a mostly snow event tomorrow night into Thursday morning. Right now, it's plenty cold enough for snow. 20s in the mountains and north, low 30s just about everywhere else. I saw a few flurries today early this afternoon, but most of those have now dried up. And tomorrow morning will be dry and sunny. Clouds start coming in tomorrow afternoon as this Alberta clipper with origins in Alberta province in Canada comes our way. These usually don't have much moisture, but it will get a little bit more as it comes into Maine tomorrow night, which is why we're looking at a widespread accumulating snow inland. For tonight, it will be cold. Temperatures dropping into the teens again statewide. Not too much wind though tonight, so wind chill not really much of a factor. And tomorrow morning we'll start out sunny. This is the map at noontime, and still a fair amount of sunshine will be out there across the state. Clouds increase during the afternoon, but even still, we should be dry until after sunset. By 6 o'clock, some snow showers developing in the mountains and a few getting into southern Maine at that point too. Eastern Maine will still be dry at that point. It's not until after about 9 or 10 o'clock that the precipitation really fills in, and by midnight tomorrow night, it'll be snowing in most of the state. But look at the wind direction coming in out of the south. What that will mean for the mid-coast, Penobscot Bay, and parts of down East Maine is we'll be able to drive that rain snow line inland. So I think even in Bangor, we may have a changeover to rain for a little while Thursday morning, while that rain snow line will just hug the coastline in southern Maine. So looking at mostly snow for most of York and Cumberland counties away from the coastline, and all snow in the hills and mountains. The bulk of the precipitation comes through pretty quickly Thursday morning, so by noon or so, this is done for the most part. But Thursday afternoon, the wind will start to kick up late in the day out of the west and northwest, sending in that cold air for Friday. And we may have another late day snow shower or squall. Wouldn't be a big deal, but these could coat the roads after the storm itself comes to an end. So along the immediate coastline, probably not much accumulation. Same story for most of the mid-coast and down east. 1 to 3 inches for Bangor, Waterville, Augusta, Lewiston, much of Cumberland and York counties, and then 3 to 5 inches as you get into the mountains with a jackpot over the Central Highlands and Aroostook County. Behind this storm, it will be cold and windy for Friday. We will have wind chills on Friday that are in the single digits and teens during the warmest part of the day. So whatever snow we do get is not going to go anywhere fast. It's sticking around on the ground through the weekend. Seas tomorrow will be running 2 to 3 feet with a northwest wind. A gale watch up for Thursday night into Friday. So here's a look at the 7-day forecast. Again, tomorrow's fine during the day. Clouds come in during the afternoon, and then we have snow, heaviest overnight tomorrow night into Thursday morning. The afternoon on Thursday should be much better. Cold and windy for Friday, maybe a few flurries over the weekend, Brian, and we might try to warm up a little bit early next week.
Anything would be helpful at this point compared to how far below we are. All right, Ryan, thank you.
Welcome.